everyone, welcome back to Leetcode Simplified. I'm Alan and today we're tackling Leetcode 136 single number. Given a non-empty array of integers, every element appears twice except for one. Find that single number. For example, 1 is the single number in this array and 4 is the single number in this array because every other number appears twice. The problem asks us to implement a solution with the big O of n time complexity and big O of 1 space complexities. We can't use solutions like counting hash map or using extra memory. Instead, we're going to use XOR operator to solve this problem in just one pass linear time and using only one variable to store the result. Let's quickly look at XOR bit operation. 1 XOR 1 equals 0. 1 XOR 0 or 0 XOR 1 equal 1. 0 XOR 0 equals 0. From this, we observe three very important properties of XOR that will help in this problem. Any number XOR with itself equals 0. A XOR A equals 0. Any number XOR with 0 stays the same. A XOR B equal B XOR A. XOR is commutative. Order doesn't matter. Using these three properties together, when we XOR all the numbers in the array, every duplicate cancels out to 0 and a single number remains. Understanding the intuitive behind this is a bit tricky, but the actual coding is simple. Let's code it up in Python. First, we need a variable to store the result. Set it to 0 because after XOR with the first number is added into the result unchanged. With each number in the array, we XOR it with the current result and update result to hold this new value. After the loop finishes, all the duplicates have cancelled out to 0 and result holds the only number that appeared once. So we just return result. Now let's take a look in detail at the example 2. Here's our array numbers in binary. The first one in a number flips the corresponding bit in the result. When a second one appears in another number, the bit flips back to 0 to cancel them out. At the end, the result is 1, 0, 0. Alright, it's time to smash the submit button. Boom, accepted. And that's it. Using XOR, we solve it in linear time with constant space. If you found this helpful, be sure to subscribe to the channel for more Leetcode problem walkthroughs like this. I'm Alan and this was Leetcode Simplified. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.